you're a drummer, I would be stunned if you didn't know Immigrant Song. It's legendary, it's amazing, but 4 years after it came out, Ian Paice of Deep Purple came out with something much funkier than that. And it contains a cowbell, so obviously it's 1,000 times better. And that's like 10 to 20 BPM slower than it should be. In fact, Sean, speed me up. Obviously, I'm going to tell you how to play it. First of all, you're going to get a hand pattern that is absolutely gnarly before you even try and do the rest. It's kind of a paradiddle pattern. I'll play it on the hi-hat for now. Right, left, right, right. First half, make sure that left, right is a ghost note. Then we're going to raise that left for 2, so an accent on 2. And then we have E and on the right hand. So 1 E and 2 E and. You can also, with this pattern, put a ghost note on the if you like. I can't tell if he's doing that in this song or not. Move that over to the cowbell. Like I said, cool straight out the gate. First beat and third beat, so that bit. Bass drum's going to follow that, so just like that. Accent on 2. What's going on? While we're playing the E and the and on the hi-hat, we've got a bass drum on the E and then on the I can't lie to you, it is a bit gross. And if you want to practice this without the bass drum, I highly suggest you do because it still sounds really good. That at speed, still cool. But I am almost certain that he is doing a bass drum on the as well, so. Whew. That's cooking my brain already. Just make sure your ghost notes are ghost notes and make sure your accents are accents and pray a little bit. If you want to know how I'm gaining this much speed on my foot, then check out the YouTube video I've done talking all about foot technique, because God knows I'm not going to explain it right now. Ian Paice is a drum god and you can't change my mind. There we go. Have a good day. Mwah.